What's up guys, AZ here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Sony cameras as a webcam for any video streaming platforms with just a USB cable. The software is finally available for both Mac and Windows users. So here I am at the Sony website. I have the link in the description, and here if you scroll down just a bit, you can select all the models you're planning to use. These are the ones that are currently compatible right now. I'm using Sony a6400, so I'll check this box. Scroll down more, select the operating system you're using, download the package, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and reboot your computer. So while that happens, you will need to change few settings in your camera that you see on the screen right now. Feel free to pause this video if you need it. Again, I'm using Sony a6400, and for that, let's go to Menu, go to the Network tab, Control with Smartphone, and make sure Control with Smartphone is off. Hit the menu again. This time go to the Setup tab, USB connection, make sure the PC remote is selected. And that's it! Now take your USB, connect it with your camera and to your computer, load Zoom, Skype, Google Hangouts, whatever you're planning on using. Go to the video setting for that platform, and for camera option, select Sony Camera Imaging Edge. And voila! There you have it.